Mabuhay! I'm Leilani Tanaka, representing the beautiful supermoms of today's generation. Indeed, a Filipino mother like me is a supermom. In today's generation, Filipino mothers have come out of their shells from being a plain housewife and now more proactive, empowered, who's taking an extra mile to prove and to improve herself and her family. I can speak for myself. I am a mother of 3 beautiful children. I am a hardworking, a career-oriented, yet a devoted to my children's needs, especially their education, and one who values family before anything. I might not wear any cape like our superheroes, but I can do a lot of things with the guidance of our Lord Jesus Christ and the love and support of my family and friends. Yes, I am proud to be a Filipino mother. I am a supermom. Thank you.